Hey guys, and I'm doing another slime video with my brother, but he has already started putting in the shaving cream, but that is fine. It's about okay. So I have my bowl. What you need to make fluffy slime. I am doing this once again. So I'm using this kind of shaving cream because my brother suggested this. So I'm gonna first add the glue. Okay, so first add your glue in.
There's no glue in here.
It's fine.
There's no glue in here.
Nuh-uh.
Look.
Don't you want to be on YouTube, man?
Look. No.
You should make your own channel, man.
Look, man. No glue, man. Give me your glue. Pour some glue, man. You're on. Ugh.
Chunky.
Chunky.
It's very chunky. Okay, so I pour my glue in. It's really... I'm going to just stir my glue together because I want to just stir my glue so I don't ask. Okay, so I'm going to eat some shaving cream.
Which I already did.
Oh, yeah. He added a lot of shaving cream. He almost added the whole thing. Whoa. And there we go. I just need a lot of shaving cream because it's going to be long slime, right?
Yeah.
See the camera? See the camera? Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, you can't see his face, so I don't care because it's mostly my face in videos, you know. Like.
Come on, man. We gotta put the steak.
No, not yet! Oh my god! Steak? We put the steak, but we mix. Oh my god. Mix!
I already mixed mine, man.
Well, my brother is being very weird and not putting Stay Flow in, but we're gonna add Stay Flow now.
Use it.
That
You didn't put any in mine.
Yes, I did.
Where?
It's in there. We don't know if the shaving cream is gonna work. I don't know, like it's shaving cream, so of course I think it's gonna work. Like, and it's really fluffy, like this kind of stuff. Like you can't see it. Shawnee, can you put in more lighting? Can you open the blinds more? He's gonna open the blinds more, aren't you?
The blinds are already open.
Sorry for the bad lighting, guys. Here, I'll put it over here. Can you see me better? Yeah, it's way better, Sean. I should do this more often. Like doing videos with my brothers.
And fluffy slime.
It's very bad. Stop it! Ah! I need more. There we go.
Because there's not enough glue in here, bro.
No, I only added like a teeny bit of mine. Add more Stay Flow.
Already added too much.
It's just this big clump now. I'll get the stuff off my spoon. It's very white and fluffy. My brother's coming somewhere, I have no idea. Probably to wash his hands. Okay, guys, I just took my brother's. Sorry. My brother's getting my dog now, so you might hear a bark in the back. Okay, so I just took some of my brother's slime. Don't tell him. He doesn't know. So be quiet. It's still all over my hands, you know. Hey, be quiet! I'm trying to do a video. Do you play Minecraft? I do. But I don't make videos, so I'm sad.
You can have my slime.
No! You play with it right now! He thinks he's owning the place. Well, I own this studio. Bo. And I stick it all into my thingy. Yeah, I got this from McDonald's. It's just a toy. It's a very nice slime. I'm gonna. Hey! Stop! You're bored. Not you. He is. It's very.
It's an American Girl doll.
Shut it! It's very fluffy. Hey! He took my slime, Mama!
Why is yours so...
I didn't add a lot of shaving cream. Like you, boy. Give me my slime.
Put more glue.
Okay. My brother needs more glue, so I'm going to give him more glue. Mix it. He thinks he's so cool. Boom. He thinks he's so cool. Sorry, guys. I got too close to it. Is it working together, boy?
Yeah.
That I do not know. That must not be my friend. This guy over here is like, come here, guy. I don't know you. This guy over here, like, I don't know him, and he's making slime. Boy, get over here, or we're gonna have some problems. Hey, Ma!
Ew.
This is your slime, boy. I got a bubble.
I made it worse.
Let me see. Ooh, fluffy. I'm gonna take it over. Yeah, it's not connecting. Yeah. I'm just gonna take all of this slime and then add it to mine, and I can't. Just fluff. Fluff. Can't even poke it. I'm gonna be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. I just had to clean up because everything was getting everywhere. So, yeah, guys. I'm gonna add a food dye, so I'm gonna get that food dye. Okay, guys, I got my food dye. It's purple, and I don't like purple. There we go. I added a teeny bit, just that much, because it's gonna do a lot. Ah! It's done so much. Yeah, it didn't do anything. But you know, guys. Oh my God, guys! It's like right there. Like,
You forgot to put the other stuff.
shut it! Sorry, I just have to add more food dye. There you go. I added a lot of food dye. And there we go to mix. It might be a long day till I end my life. Ah! It's an eye of ender. I still have this from yesterday. Got in my nail. Boo. Boo hoo, boo hoo, boo hoo. Boo hoo, 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 hoo. Boo hoo, hoo, hoo. It's like really tough, so I can't add like anything. If I touch the stuff on it, like it won't even like touch me back. It's like I added a bunch. Oh no, it's touched me back. It has poisoned me to die for eternity. Ew, it's like really fluffy. Like all this is fluff and fluff and fluff. Together we add our fluff. Together we add our fluff. It's not working. Yeah, guys, it's not working a lot, so I'm gonna just give up on this slime. I will add a lot until I get purple. So bye, guys. Yeah, I'll put that away and see what happens. Hey, guys, it's like a lot of purple in the middle, and I am scared because I just added a bunch, and I'm really scared. So I need your support, like support. It's like no one has tackled me. I'll be right back. 7 years later. years. It's 7 years later, and I've got it. Pepe! Yeah, that was a little too much. Okay.